This baby hits 88 miles per hour. You're gonna see some serious shit. My calculations. 1.20 watts. This baby hits 88.
We're Slikrok Productions, and we usually don't lump two companies together in one video, but truth is truth. And over the years, we've ran a lot of different exhaust systems, more than I want to mention, but we always come back to these two. This is the Evo system, this is the Trinity system. And we keep coming back to these for a few reasons. They have performance additives to them, which we really like, but really it's the decibel level that we fall in love with. I love the sound of these two exhaust systems. They're not loud and obnoxious, they're just throaty, and they have a really good tone to them. And they're they're our favorite looking exhaust systems out there. So we're going to do an install video on both of these systems, complete systems with them, and we'll have those out in a few weeks. But if you have any questions about either of these exhaust systems, hit us up and we'll answer anything you got.